Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with a very interesting topic. Everyone need to control or monitor the monthly expenses. However, we all are managing the expenses in our own way, sometimes by writing in a pad or by using some apps. But if you are using laptop or you have a computer, which is nowadays are very common, my sheet will easily help you to manage and show the savings as well as losses by just entering the total monthly income or expenses. As a result, you will save your money for upcoming expenses or plan your holiday trips. So without wasting time, let's go to the sheet. Here is the sheet. Top right corner, you can enter the amount you want to transfer to your saving account. At the left corner, you can enter the monthly income. In borrowed column, you can enter the amount if took from someone. You don't have to enter amount in net in hand, sheet will calculate itself. Expenses, savings and losses column will automatically reflect the results. Not at the bottom left, you can enter monthly EMIs if you are paying. At middle columns, you can enter the monthly cash expenses. And at the right, you can enter the monthly bills. Now let's watch. I will show how this sheet will work. First, I enter my monthly income. 50,000. First, I will enter my monthly EMI, credit card bill, 8,500, home loan 11,500. Now the total of sheet calculated, which is 20,000. Now I am going to enter my monthly cash expenses. My groceries, 4,500. Medical expenses, 1,500. The total expenses is 6,000. Now I am going to enter my monthly bill payments. Electricity bill, 2,500. Phone bill, 800. The total is 3,300. You can enter all expenses in same way. Now you can see every data is calculated instantly. Total expenses, 29,300. Total savings, 20,700. Now see if my expenses are more than my income. Sheet will show losses instead of savings. 8,700. 3,000. 2,500. 4,000. 2,800. 1,000. 500. Here the losses box showing a loss of 1,800. So download the sheet from the link given in the description of this video and make your mind relaxed. Please like and share my video, and please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Till then, goodbye.